Humanity has been riding a wave of overconsumption over the past 30, 40 years.
How are we going to be able to feed a growing population in a way that's both sustainable and ethical?
At the Cultivated B, we are a technology provider for not just food manufacturers, but also personal care as well as pharmaceutical industry, with the primary goal of keeping the prices for the final consumers as low as possible.
Imagine you have lots of proteins that comes from animal sources. So what we do, we provide technologies to those alternative ingredients and proteins.
I'm leading a molecular farming project where we use plants as green bioreactor to produce foreign and valuable protein.
We are the only company in Canada that makes bioreactors. You're working on the future of food, alternative protein resources that will eventually be available, hopefully, to the world.
We have so many different capabilities in-house. We're able to come up with new ideas, test these ideas, and then get them out to market very quickly.
We have the huge opportunity. We make something here, the customer is sitting a level upstairs. They can check everything, they can give us great feedback, and we know how to optimize the devices that we are producing.
Burlington is practically and tactically an excellent position for us. We are in close proximity to major universities. This allows us to have nice access to highly educated individuals. But at the same time, Burlington is also a nice place for people to live in.
It's an amazing town. There's a lot more happening here than you might think.
I think in the next 2 to 3 years, we see that these innovative technologies that we are developing today are going to become part of the reality of agriculture, food technology, more refined raw materials that are being manufactured in Canada.